Hey, what's up, guys? Derek Gorman. I just wanted to hop on here real fast, make a short video, and give you guys a lead magnet to help you build your email list. All right. So I got this lead magnet or this ebook from my mentor, Jonathan Montoya, and I'm going to be giving it to you guys so that way you can use this to build your email list. Okay. So this is going to be a 3-page funnel in your System.io account that you can import directly into your account within one click. All right. And it's completely done for you. It comes with this ebook and everything. All right. So I'll leave the link below. If you don't have a System.io account, go ahead and you can click the link. And I think you can make an account at the exact same time you import this funnel. All right. So I'm going to walk you through the steps and show you this funnel so that way you know what it looks like and how to use this when you guys are using this for your lead magnet. All right, so let's get started. All right, so as you can see, we're in my account and we're logged in, and this is the 7 steps ebook funnel. Okay, so the very first page, you can see there's 3 pages here. The very first page, let's go ahead and take a look. And this is going to be the landing page that you're going to be driving traffic to. Okay, so when you want to collect leads in exchange for their email address, this is the page that you're going to be bringing people to or driving traffic to. So when they come here, they're going to go ahead and click on this button where it says free ebook download. And it's going to collect this information, their first name, their email, and their phone number. I always put optional here because you don't want to deter people from entering their information. You want to let them know that it is optional, just in case they may not want to share that information with you, okay? So once they enter their information here on this page, it's going to bring them to the next page or the next step within this funnel, all right? So I'm going to click on this here on the left, the second page down in the funnel, and then we're going to go over to the right-hand side and it's where it says View Funnel Step. So anyway, so let me explain what you're looking at here real quick. All right, so on the top, it says you're all set. Click the ebook below to get your download. So what you're going to do is when you get this funnel, 7-step formula, this document, what I want you to do is you're going to go up here to File, and you're going to click on Make a Copy. What that's going to do is going to take this whole document and it's going to basically copy it and it's going to put it in your Google Drive. And that's very important. Okay. So then that way, you can edit this document as needed to tailor or fit your audience. But B, once you do this, and this is in your System.io account, you're going to attach this Google document or the link for this Google document that's in your Google Drive to this ebook on this page. So that way, when they click on it, it's going to bring them to your Google Drive. And it's going to have your links in there and everything. All right. So that's very, very, very important. So I got this funnel from him and I'm giving it to you guys. You can have it. All you have to do is click the link below and it will literally just import this entire funnel into your System.io account. All you have to do is when you're logged in, you're going to go up to funnels. It'll be right there. 7 steps ebook funnel. Okay. Edit it to your liking. Oh, and one more step here real quick. After you've imported this funnel into your account, all you have to do when you click on the very top one up here on the left, click on automation rules, and you're going to have to add a rule. You're going to have to click on add rule. And what you're going to do is you're going to subscribe them to a campaign and you're going to add a tag. I also have this one set up to enroll them into a course, but you may not have that option. But you're going to want to tag them for sure, and you're going to want to subscribe them to a campaign. If you don't have a campaign, you can get one from Jonathan Montoya, or you can build your own. All right, you're going to always want to follow up with them automatically using System.io, sending them emails on a regular basis, okay? So anyway, guys, that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you got value out of this video, and I hope you use this lead magnet to build your email list. All right. You're going to give away this for free, and this will help you build your email list so that way you guys can start earning commissions online and live the laptop lifestyle. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.